everybody, how y'all doing today? Thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I just want to explain to you about MCA, aka Motor Club of America. See, like, I've been with this company for a couple of years now, and I'm definitely satisfied with the benefits and the income plan and the income that they actually been paying me and their other associates. So, like, with the company, man, it's strictly awesome. They offer unlimited roadside assistance, health benefits, discounts, rental cars, hotels, accidental death. You know, they got lawyers, bail bondsmen for you. They actually offer tons and tons of benefit. Actually, $150,000 worth of benefits to protect you every day. So, what you get in, you actually pay $40 for the membership, and you're actually gonna get a card just like this. You're actually gonna have your name on the back of it, and your ID number. That's what you're really paying for. You're not just paying to resell it, or, you know, we're not getting you, you know, scamming you. You're actually paying for the membership. And the membership, they actually have a couple of packages, but we actually recommend the total security package, which is like $40, and then it's $20 a month. So for $20 a month, you actually get the unlimited roadside assistance. They will actually tow your car up to 100 miles to any location or any shop of your choosing. They would do that for your $20 a month. So say if, like, your car gets stolen and, you know, y'all actually find it and that person get convicted for stealing your car, MCA would pay you $5,000. Or, no, matter of fact, they would pay you $500 just for, you know, saying, getting your car back. So, and that's just for $20. And it just don't cover you, it covers your family as well. So if you in the car with your mother and your car breaks down, guess what? You can get a free tow. You know, if you in the car with your girlfriend, her car breaks down or she needs a jump, you can get that with the membership. So, like, you get tons of benefits with the membership. I definitely enjoyed it. But when I first got in, I definitely struggled because I was actually following the wrong person. When I got in, my sponsor did not help me. You know, I called, you know, matter of fact, this is what happened. When I got in, he called me. I missed his call. I called like 3 minutes or maybe 13 minutes later. He didn't pick up. And then I kept calling for the next 2 weeks. And, you know, no call, no show. But that was definitely discouraging. But I knew with the mindset I had to figure out, like, was this really real? Or did it really work? Because I didn't pay my $40 and I'm like, man, okay, what's next? Like a lot of y'all are doing, or, you know, a lot of beginners are doing, like, what's next? Because, you know, if you saying that, that means you joined the wrong person. And it's not your fault because, you know, they marketed it a certain type of way. They probably had a stack of money and say, hey, man, you can make this. Just post this online and you're going to make this weekly. You know, and that's unethical. Now, some people do it, some people don't. And they both sides do work. But you wondering when you sign people up just because of the money, you wonder why they're not staying long enough. And then that's not good. So I struggled for a while, maybe a year and a half. A year and a half, it was straight struggle. I'm probably making 1 sale a month, 2-3 sales a month. It really wasn't even consistent until I just started looking around and I found a great mentor. My mentor is Eric Johnson. He actually is the founder of Team Good Life. And I actually bought his training. I got in and I took the information real serious because his claim was you can make 6 figures by using his training. And I'm like, okay, well, let's go, because I want to make 6 figures. And let me tell you, you guys, last year, 2017, I missed 3 MCA payments. You know, MCA pays you $80 every person you bring in, and they pay you weekly. Last year, I only missed 3 weeks of payments. That just shows you the good mentorship, the good leadership, the good training that Good Life has to offer. And actually a step-by-step training series. It's like maybe like 30 videos. This is a full education on MCA and network marketing and how to run a business. Because that's one reason you got in, because you want to run a business. And also because you wanted the benefits too. The benefits are wonderful. So like the benefits make sense. It's a no-brainer to have the benefits. If you have a car or don't have a car, the benefits definitely here for you. But like through our training is step by steps, and like it's all laid out. So once a person join me, I know how to basically guide them through the success and hope them take them from zero to hero in a couple of weeks just by using the training. People, like, and that's what you need to be looking at, man. Watch who you're following, because you might be following the wrong person because you ain't getting results. Or if you got the training, your training probably sucks, or it's probably outdated. Like they methods just not working no more. But a Team Good Life, what Eric has put together for us and his team, amazing. Like I said, man, I haven't missed a payment since I got in on Team Good Life, and everybody done bringing in seeing success. So we are making success stories for MCA. And also, what the greatest thing about this, because with the training, you can actually take this training and take it to different businesses with the same training and get the same results every time. No brainer. So if you're looking for that mentor or a great training for MCA, please get with me. Especially if you haven't joined MCA and you still on the sideline, please get in, because our training is proven. All you have to do is just Google Team Good Life. Google Team Good Life, and you're going to see all the success stories that we have, even including myself. I'm a success story because I wasn't making no money or little money. Now I'm making my desired income, and I'm reaching for more. And plus, I'm making money in all my other businesses just by starting with MCA, taking the training and going through it and taking it real serious. Because if you get in, I can't guarantee your success. You can only determine your success. So, only thing I can guarantee, if you don't get in, you're not going to make no money easily. So you really want to know more about the Motor Club of America and Team Good Life and how we operate and how we put the system together so you can be able or even position yourself to make 6 figures a year. You need to just click that link below. Take action, because you deserve it. You deserve it. I know I deserved it, because it's just $40 for the membership. If you don't have $40, go get a job, stack your money, and spend $40 on your benefits, and then have the opportunity to make 6 figures. No brainer, man. No brainer, man. Make a decision. Take action. The link is at the bottom, and I see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.